Hey everyone, Josh here from Neighborhood Car Reviews, and I'm here at Community Nissan in Bloomington, Indiana, and I'm inside this 2018 Nissan Armada. This is a platinum trim, and we're going to show one of the neater features that this vehicle has to offer, and that is the smart interior mirror. So without further ado, we're going to go over it and kind of show you the features of it. Alright, so first of all, we just have the mirror here. It is just a normal interior rear view mirror. It has a reflective coating, of course, and it's automatic dimming. And as you can see underneath, you do have your 3-channel home link and universal garage door openers, but you also have these other 3 buttons here, and you have what looks like to be a day-night mirror, but you also have an auto dim sensor, so it looks different, but we're going to go over all of this. So to activate it, there's a camera in the rear lip spoiler next to where the washer fluid comes out, and that's where the image comes from. So by flipping this lever, displays, I'm going to turn off these overhead lights now, displays your actual smart mirror. So this is just a video image that is displayed inside the glass. As you can see here, your home link icons light up, and then here you have a menu. So now your little buttons here change. So you can actually change your brightness. You can adjust brightness 2 or -2. So not by much, but it does help, as you can see. By hitting that, you can adjust your image up and down. A maximum of +5 or -5. You can just zero it out there. Then you can do also a rotation, so you can do 5 degrees to the right or 5 degrees to the left. Your indication on and off. Dimming mirror on and off. Your language. And then just your menu comes back. That's a really cool feature though. I really like this feature of this car. And just by flipping this back, restores the mirror to its normal reflectivity. So this would be useful if you have people in the back seat, or if you have large items and they're blocking like your view of the mirror back there. You can actually flip this on and it gives you a more positive image without actually impeding on rearward visibility. So pretty neat feature of the 2018 Nissan Armada. Alright, and that does conclude our quick look at the smart interior rear view mirror on the new Nissan Armada. We hope the video was informative and we hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video and would like to see more like this, please comment down below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching.